In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add motion blur here within Premiere Pro. Before we dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to add a smooth motion blur effect here in Premiere Pro, here's exactly how you do it. Begin by clicking on your project settings down here after importing your clip and creating a new adjustment layer by clicking on this little new item icon here and then selecting adjustment layer. Go ahead and stick with your basic sequence settings and hit OK. Then drag that adjustment layer onto the clip and adjust it to wherever you want that motion blur to take place. In my case, I'm just going to do it over the entire video. Now go ahead and select your adjustment layer and go to the effects tab and search for transform. Go ahead and drag the transform effect onto your adjustment layer. Now go to your effect controls and click on the stopwatch for transform, but do it specifically on the scale option first. And it's going to create your first keyframe. Now make sure you're in the very beginning of your adjustment layer here by adjusting your playhead up at the top. Now there's going to be an option that says use composition's shutter angle. Go ahead and take that off and then change the shutter angle right here to 360 for a realistic motion blur. From here, go ahead and move your playhead forward just a little bit or throughout the entire clip. It doesn't necessarily matter. I recommend doing this about 20 frames, which in my case, let's just pretend that's about right here. And go ahead and adjust your scale from 100, which is the base, to 300, just like so. Now highlight both of these keyframes and then right click on it and select ease in for a smoother animation. Now if you want to refine the motion even more, what I recommend doing is actually expanding the scale and dragging the blue curve handle downward. What I mean by that is clicking on this arrow and you'll see this little blue curve arrow down here. Just drag it down as far as possible. And believe me, it can go for a while. And this will just create a more natural looking motion blur zoom effect. Now obviously this clip probably isn't the best clip in the entire world to go ahead and use this on, but that is exactly how you create a realistic motion blur here within Premiere Pro. Before you guys leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.